age of rock and snow, a gentoo colony huddles together for warmth, community, and family. A fierce blizzard is coming, and the penguins hurry away to the shelter of a nearby ice cavern. A few stay behind with this anxious young couple. It's late in the breeding season, and their egg is the last to hatch. But the storm is looming closer and closer. Time is running out for one little penguin named Puck. Soon, Puck will lose that fuzzy down, and with his waterproof feathers grown in, he'll dive into the sea for the first time to begin the greatest adventure of his life. But now, we must seek shelter from the storm. There are many dangers in this beautiful and harsh land. Alone, we will not survive, but together, we will thrive. Now, let us begin our adventure. Storm, Puck is older now, ready to explore all on his own. In this amazing land of ice and snow, he finds a clever new way to view the world. It's time to see the wonders of Antarctica through the eyes of Puck. So come on!
It's time to begin your icy journey as a penguin through the wonders of Antarctica.
It's time to follow along with Puck as he slips and slides and discovers the wonder of his own reflection in the ice. Puck slides and glides into a cavern of icy, dancing light. almost grown up and he ventures out into a blizzard to hunt in the sea. Huck has arrived at the edge of the ice, and for the first time, he's ready to dive into the sea. He's eager to hunt for food on his own, but danger lurks in the water below. Now it's your turn to continue the adventure as your family meets our penguin family. It's your turn to continue the adventure.
Please gather all your belongings and exit to your left. As you join the penguin colony, please, no flash photography. Please do not step into the habitat, reach in, or drop objects into the penguin colony. Thank you.
Yeah. You see it, they come.
They'll rest.
Thank you.
Come on, puppy. Baby. They got a most
Stop! Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.